With TD Ameritrade about to stop their services for non-accredited investors, you may be looking for a way on how you can transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to IBKR. So, in this video, I will show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to do just that. But first, if you don't have an Interactive Brokers account, you can just sign up using my link down below. If you need a tutorial on how to sign up, you can check out my video here, where I will show you how to open an IBKR account, setting it up, and some tips on how you can use it to buy your favorite stocks. But once you have the account ready, here's how to transfer the assets from TD Ameritrade to IBKR. First, open up the IBKR web portal. Click on Transfer and Pay, then click Transfer Positions. Then you will want to select Transfer Assets into your IBKR account. Okay, here you will have to select the region that you are transferring from. There's Canada, United States, and all other regions. Now, even though we are transferring from TD Ameritrade Singapore, the region that we actually want to select is the United States. That's because here you will see something called ACATS, short for Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, which will let you transfer USD assets in, such as USD cash, US equities, US options, US fixed income, and so on. And this is the system that is supported by TD Ameritrade. Also, a huge thank you to JJ Ong for helping me to confirm with IBKR that ACATS transfer is indeed the right method to use. So just click on Select, then choose TD Ameritrade. Next, you will need to enter in your TD Ameritrade account number. To get it, log in to your TD Ameritrade account, look for account statements, then you will see your account number here. Copy the account number over. As for account type, you will most likely be using an individual account, so just choose that. You won't be able to enter in your tax identification number, so just skip that. For saving broker information, just choose No. And for transfer all assets, you will need to choose Yes to transfer everything, because TD Ameritrade will only waive the fees if you are doing an entire account transfer. Choose Yes to authorize the removal of certain mutual funds that are not supported from this transfer. Then make sure that you are not transferring any US micro-cap stocks, because IBKR doesn't support them. If you are unsure whether your stock is a US micro-cap stock or not, you can just click on this button here to check. For example, Tesla is not a micro-cap stock. Once you are done, click Continue. Check to make sure you have selected everything correctly, and if so, type in your signature to confirm the transfer. And tada! You have initiated the transfer. It will take anywhere between 4 to 8 business days to complete. Also, just to avoid any issues, make sure to avoid buying or selling anything on both TD Ameritrade and IBKR when the transfer is still ongoing. Finally, to check the transfer status, you can click on Transfer and Pay, Transaction Status and History. And here, you will see the status of your transfer. So, that was a super quick video on how to transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to IBKR. Hopefully, you found it useful.